Hey guys, it's an issue for all of us to stay disciplined with certain tasks, certain things which we start off in our life. We always want to be a perfectionist, and we want to go all in whenever we try to do anything, be it a workout or be it something which is a challenge to us. But most of the times we do start off in a very powerful manner, but slowly we trail off. Slowly we start to miss out on the daily routine which we had started off with. It's because we think like we have to make it count every time and we have to go all in, but that's not the case. Over here we want to create a momentum, and we want to create a discipline. We want to keep doing the things on and off. We want to make it a habit, and for that case we have to make sure that we divide our goals into A, B and C category. A being when you're feeling fully fueled up and powerful on that day, confident on that day, you can go all in for a workout. Like you can work out for 1 hour, or if you're not feeling that good, at least go for a half an hour workout. Or if you're feeling too bad, or if you're feeling not even wanting to do anything which is a lot of pressure, just go and walk. Same for your work life. At least turn up. Try to complete your priority tasks. Don't do your challenging tasks on days when you feel like you are not feeling that good. But at least turn up. Turning up everywhere does 80% of the bit. And it's all about momentum. When you have momentum and when you are disciplined, you look back upon the days when you just turned up and probably might not have accomplished too much, but you still turned up. You feel so proud and so satisfied that you feel like you're a badass. You can do anything in life. It's same with taking less holidays at your office place, which is all about discipline and which brings a lot of satisfaction. Not missing your workout days, not missing out your cardio days. All of these things matter, and it's slow growth that we are after. We don't want to stall the growth. Slow growth is better than no growth. Because when we start off with things like I started off with writing, so all I want to do is, once I got into a knack of writing daily, all I wanted to do was write better paragraphs or better stories and long stories. And because of that I almost gave up on writing, because that is what I thought, like I had to go big. But it's not about going big. Just write small or do something which is small also, but that will make a huge difference when you look back upon the things you have done and you have stayed on the course. So yes, building discipline by doing things in a progressive manner, even though they may not feel like something big, but small bits can also help us a lot. So yeah, thanks for watching the video.